Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar chicken salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need crisp romaine lettuce, 2 boneless chicken breasts, and a delicious Caesar dressing. Don't forget the crunchy croutons, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and a lemon for that bright, zesty finish. This combination ensures a classic and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. We'll walk through each step to create a fantastic salad. Now, let's prepare our chicken. Season 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts generously with salt, pepper, and a hint of garlic powder. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, ensuring it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing it into perfect 1/2-inch strips. This keeps the chicken juicy and tender. Next, we'll focus on the dressing and croutons. If you're making your own Caesar dressing, whisk all the ingredients until it's smooth and emulsified. For quicker option, measure out about 1/2 cup of a good quality store-bought dressing. For croutons, you can toast 1-inch bread cubes with olive oil and garlic until golden brown, or simply use 1 cup of your favorite pre-made crunchy croutons. Both options add essential texture and flavor to your salad. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious Caesar chicken salad. Start by chopping 1 large head of crisp romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces and placing it in a large bowl. Add your perfectly sliced chicken, about 1/2 cup of crunchy croutons, and 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Drizzle with approximately 1/2 cup of Caesar dressing, or adjust to your liking. Toss everything gently to combine, then serve immediately with a fresh lemon wedge for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.